Before we continue with the actual installation, I always suggest to my followers to test their new devices, and apparently it will be much easier for you to test it initially versus testing it after installing it. It will be much stress less and much quicker. So let's test the bell very quickly. Let's hook it to the outlet. Okay, this one works. I heard the sound, and let's test the actual button. First of all, you have to put the isolation, the battery isolation. From here, we pull this one, and let's press the button and see what will happen. Awesome. So it looks like this doorbell and the button works, and now we can continue with the installing it.